Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you. Amid the allegations of paper leak in the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Exam Undergraduate 2024, the NEET Raw, a candidate from Samastipur, has admitted that he was handed the leaked question paper by his uncle a day prior to the examination held in May this year, according to the confession made to the police. Well, Anurag Yadav, who is 22-year-old, in his confession letter to the Patna police said that his uncle had summoned him from Kota in Rajasthan to Samastipur in Bihar, saying that all the arrangements for the exam had been made. Yadav's uncle Sikandar Prasad Yadvendu, an engineer deployed at Bihar's Danapur Council of Danapur Nagar Parishad, has asked him to return to Samastipur. In his confession letter to the police, Anurag said that he was handed the NEET question paper and answer sheet on the eve of exam, and that was held on May 5 and was made to memorize all the correct answers to it. In his confession letter, he writes that I returned from Kota and was taken to Amit Anand and Nitish Kumar by my uncle on the night of May 4, 2024, where I was given the NEET exam question paper and answer sheet, which I was made to study and memorize overnight. My examination center was D.Y. Patil School, he said in the confession letter. The NEET aspirant further said that he saw the actual question paper on the examination day and it matched with the one that his uncle had provided. The question paper that I received at my examination center was the same that I was made to study and memorize on the night of May 4. I accept my involvement in the crime, said Anurag in his confession letter to the Patna police. Meanwhile, the police has arrested several people, including the candidates who had taken the NEET exam. Of them, 4 have been identified as Anurag Yadav, a NEET candidate, his uncle Sikandar Yadvendu, and 2 others, Nitish Kumar and Anand. According to Shastri Nagar Police Station, Patna Police has obtained confessional statements of all the 4 accused in a NEET exam question paper leak case: Anurag Yadav, Nitish Kumar, Amit Anand and Sikandar Prasad Yadvendu. The confessions were taken under the section 161 of CRPC. The NEET UG 2024 exam was conducted on May 5 and the results were declared on June 4 ahead of its scheduled announcement date of June 14. Protesters were held alleging irregularities and paper leaks as the results showed that as many as 67 students had topped the exam with a perfect score of 720. The NEET UG examination conducted by the National Testing Agency paves the way for admission to MBBS, BDS, Ayush and other related courses in government and private institutions across the country. Petitions have been filed in the courts by students seeking a retest. On June 13, the NTA informed the Supreme Court that the scorecards of 1,563 candidates who were awarded grace marks in the NEET UG 2024 exam would be cancelled and these candidates would have an option to reappear for the exam of June 23rd, the results of which will be declared before June 30, or forego the compensatory marks given for the loss of time. On Tuesday, the Apex Court emphasized that any negligence, even as small as 0.001% in the conduct of NEET UG 2024 examination, would be addressed thoroughly. A vacation bench of Justice Vikram Nath and S.V.N. Bhatti told advocates representing the Centre and the National Testing Agency, the NTA, that any such negligence must be dealt with seriousness. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court today issued a notice on a plea filed by the National Testing Agency seeking the transfer of petitions relating to the NEET UG 2024 examination from different high courts to the Apex Court. A bench headed by Justice Vikram Nath has also stayed proceedings before the different high courts. The Apex Court reiterated that it will not stop the counselling process. Also today, NSUI, National Student Union of India, held a protest outside Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's residence in Delhi over NEET and UGC NET issues. The protesters were soon detained by the police. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.